Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be making chicken flavored steamed taro. Let's get right to it. To start, slice taro root to the desirable size. Steam over high heat for 20 minutes. Separate the scallion white from the grain. Cut the white into chunks and mince the grain. Add chicken powder and dissolve in water. Heat cooking oil in a wok and add scallion white. Stir until fragrant and burnt. Remove from the wok. Then add scallion grain, steamed taro, and chicken broth. Stir until the broth thickens. Serve immediately and then chicken flavored steamed taro is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.